If you've got a Class 3 2-inch tow hitch and are looking to make the most of it when you're not towing, today we're going to be checking out this WeatherTech Bumperstep fitting all 2-inch Class 3 hitch receivers. This WeatherTech Bumperstep offers both a convenient step as well as a safe bumper for the back end of your vehicle equipped with a 2-inch receiver. It features injection molded US made materials and simply installs with a standard 1/2-inch hitch pin. Now this is going to go right into the hitch receiver, has 5 adjustable locations, and will protect your vehicle from both people bumping into you and help you get in and out if you've got a lifted vehicle or getting in and out of your pickup truck. Now we're going to slide it into the hitch receiver of our Dodge Ram and see how it looks, show you guys really how it performs. Alright guys, so this really isn't a difficult install. As long as you've got a hitch pin, you can do this yourself right in the driveway and make sure you've got a 2-inch receiver. Now one of the biggest benefits for me when I think about this is some city driving or parking when you're downtown or somewhere like that and someone taps into the back end of your bumper. Now this happens a lot, and instead of ruining a several $1,000 bumper until you get it painted, especially if it's color matched, you might have lights in there, I'd rather ruin the less than $100 WeatherTech Bumperstep. Now this thing is injection molded, meaning that it's going to be really tough, holds up to 300 pounds on the top. Now it's got 5 adjustable hitch locations. That means you can adjust it as far out as you need it. In a Jeep or vehicle with a spare tire, this will help you stick it out farther and reach up on top, get whatever luggage you're trying to put out. So let's slide this in and see how it looks, just to give you guys a visual. All right guys, so most importantly on this install, don't put it in this way. It's not going to work like that. You're going to want to make sure that that section is up top. And that's just professional advice after years and years of working in the automotive industry. But yeah, slide that hitch pin in there. That's a nice tight fit. Check it out, guys. This thing's going to hold up to 300 pounds. I weigh a little bit over 200. I won't tell you my weight, but holds me perfectly fine. Climbed up here. I can see everything in the bed. This is going to work great for a Jeep or something with a roof rack. You can find it right here at cjponyparts.com.